If you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. Life is about making an impact, not making an income. Throughout life, people will make you mad, disrespect you and treat you bad. Let God deal with the things they do, cause hate in your heart will consume you too. Life is very interesting. In the end, some of your greatest pains becomes your greatest strengths. The more you praise and celebrate your life, the more there is in life to celebrate. I believe that nothing in life is unimportant. Every moment can be a beginning. You choose the life you live. If you don't like it, it is on you to change it because no one else is going to do it for you. Nothing in life is to be feared. It is only to be understood. Now is the time to understand more so that we may fear less. Sometimes life hits you in the head with a brick. Don't lose faith. Open your eyes, look within. Are you satisfied with the life you are living? Growth is the only evidence of life. Life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself. We are here to add what we can to life, not to get what we can from life. Our prime purpose in this life is to help others, and if you can't help them, at least don't hurt them. A life spent making mistakes is not only more honorable, but more useful than a life spent doing nothing. Life is a series of collisions with the future. It is not the sum of what we have been, but what we yearn to be. Life is really simple, but we insist on making it complicated. One way to get most out of life is to look upon it as an adventure. Life is a tragedy when seen in close-up, but a comedy in long shot. There are three constants in life: change, choice, and principles.